As soon as you finish the assembly of your LX30, you can proceed to the basic setup of the machine. These steps are significant as they will determine how well the sawmill will cut and how satisfied you will be with the results. First, fill up the engine with fresh oil, observing the appropriate characteristics. Do not try to start the engine without the oil inside. Engines are supplied without oil, so please check your operator's manual for the proper engine oil type. Next, fill up the tank with gasoline. You will then adjust the blade guide rollers according to the instructions included in the manual. Next, you'll install the blade onto the wheels, making sure the blade teeth are distanced from the edge of the wheel about 3 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch. Next, we'll apply the correct tension to the blade according to the recommended values. Then, adjust the blade level over the bed, keeping in mind that it must be parallel. Check each side carefully. Using the tape measure, check the distance between the blade's bottom set tooth and the bed. Compare it to the readings on the height scale. Apply corrections if necessary. Then we're ready to fill up the water tank. Prepare the log for milling. Load the log onto the sawmill bed and ensure the side supports are upright. Then position and lock the log clamps at the desired height. Adjust the cutting height using the crank handle. Use the scale for reference. You'll then start the engine. Engage the blade by adding more RPM to the engine. Disengage it at the end of each cut. Next, open the water valve for each cut as needed. Close it when the blade is idle. Begin cutting the log. Maintaining the engine at a higher RPM, keep the blade running to start the first cut. Start slowly and maintain a steady pace to keep the engine at optimal RPM. Make the first cut to open the desired face of the log. Use a cant hook to rotate the log so that the flat side is against the side supports or the bed frame. Continue cutting and rotating the log until it forms a squared cant. Lower the side supports and clamps for further cuts as needed. For edging, raise the side supports and secure the boards with a clamp. Cut each side to the desired width. Refer to your mill's manual for more details on advanced techniques and maintenance. Follow the Wood-Mizer social media channels to learn more about various sawmilling applications and solutions.